Very good morning, children. Today in the mathematics we are going to study equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, it is a very interesting topic. So by using few activities we will try to understand what are equivalent fractions. So first of all, the meaning equivalent means which seems different but it represents the same values. So equivalent fraction can be defined as the set of the fraction which seems different but they represent same values. So by using paper activity we will try to understand what are equivalent fractions. So this one you can see, this is strip A. Easily you can see this is paper strip A, this is paper strip B, and this is paper strip C. So easily you can see there are three paper strips A, B and C. So if we have to write the shaded portion in terms of the fraction, how we can write? In strips A you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 boxes are shaded out of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So can we write, if we have to represent these 4 boxes, so how we can write? 4 by 12 means easily you can see total number of the boxes or the cell are 12, and out of 12 4 are shaded. So can we write 4 by 12? Yes. Now come to strip B. In B strips you can see 2 cells are shaded out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can we write 2 by 6? Yes. 2 by 6. Now the last strip C, here you can see only 3 boxes are there, and out of 3 only 1 box is shaded. So can we write 1 by 3? Can you see? So easily, if you for the time being, can you suppose this thing, that suppose this is a brick of the chocolate. This is the long brick, but actually it is not possible. But you have to assume it. This is the brick of the chocolate, and one child needs 4 by 12 of this portion, and this brick means again the length of the chocolate is same here. Here also the length is same, but one child wants 4 by 12 of this chocolate. Child B wants 2 by 6 of this chocolate. Child C wants 1 by 3 of this chocolate. So finally you can see all the shaded portion in A, B and C. You can see all these shaded portions are equal in measurement. Equal in measurement, but we are representing by different fraction. Understood? Means 4 by 12 is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. ये तीनों फ्रैक्शन डिफरेंट दिख रहे हैं, बट ये डिफरेंट नहीं है. ये तीनों एक ही वैल्यू को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. मीन्स अगर ये तीन अगर चॉकलेट एक साइज की है, हमने ए को 4 by 12 दिया, बी को 2 by 6 दिया, सी को 1 by 3 दिया, फाइनली दे विल गेट सेम पोर्शन ऑफ चॉकलेट. That's why these 3 fractions are called equivalent fractions. हम ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं how these 3 are equal. Suppose like 4 by 12. अगर हम 4 by 12 को रिड्यूस करते हैं और लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. Can we write 1 by 3? 1 by 3. Now see 2 by 6. Can we reduce it into the lowest form? 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Again 1 by 3. So this is A, this is B, and the last one is C, 1 by 3. this is C. So easily you can see A, B and C are equal in values. Understood? That's why we call it is a equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction इसलिए हम बोलते हैं. Now take some another example, or by means of one more activity we can see. Here you can see we have taken some almond seeds are there. So there are total 12 almond seeds are there. Suppose one child asked for 1/2 almond of this portion. Child B asked for 2/4 almond seeds of this total, and child C asked for 3/6 almonds are there. So let me calculate how much almonds A, B and C will get. First we calculate A. If we want to calculate 1/2 means half. Half means it is 12 almonds. Definitely 6 means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. So out of 2 portion means we have divided these 12 almonds in 2 portion, 2 parts, and how much parts? A needs 1 part. So 1 part contains 6. So A will get 6 almonds. Is that right? Now come to B. B needs 2/4. So again first we combine. Yes. In how many parts we have to divide first? 4 parts. 4 parts means 4 parts में हम इसको divide कर लेंगे पहले. ये 4 equal parts में हमने divide कर लिया. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts are there because in each parts there are 3 almond seeds are there. And out of 4, how many parts we need? 2. 1 and 2. Total how many almonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, he will get 6 almonds. Now the last one is 3/6. So we have to divide into 6 parts. 6 parts means in 1 part there would be 2 almonds. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see 6 means 6 parts are there. Out of 6 parts, C needs 3 parts. 3 parts means 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. Total how many almonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So easily you can see child A, B and C. All the 3 child, they are getting the same amount of almond seeds. Means 6, 6, 6. It means 1/2, 2/4 and 3/6 represent the equivalent fraction. Is that right? So that's all for today, children. Thank you.